Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one interesting recipe which you guys can make it for the Christmas. So let's start. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make candy with this watermelon, skin of the watermelon guys. And today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make candy for the Christmas at your home without gelatin and no preservatives. So let's start. So for this recipe, what you need, here you need some watermelon and you have to remove this fruit type guys, and you have to remove this skin, the green color skin, and we have to use this white one. So here I chopped some of the white things guys. So yeah, hey guys, here can you see I removed that green skin, but I'm using this white one. So I'm going to chop this one. Hey guys, here I chopped the watermelon, skin of the watermelon, and what I'm going to do, so let's start the procedure how to make candy or tutti frutti at your home. Hey guys, take a big pan and here I'm adding 2 cups of water, and when the water started boiling, we have to add this chopped watermelon into this, but we have to wait until it started boiling. Here my water started boiling and I am going to add this chopped skin of the watermelon into this. This is homemade and we are not, as I said, I am not going to add any preservative, nothing. So you can use this one as a candy or as a tutti frutti. So 2 in 1. And we have to cook until it becomes fully cooked guys. So yeah, and it will take 5 minutes. And we have to cover this one with the lid and we have to cook for 5 minutes. And here the water is started boiling and it's time to remove the lid, and we have to check whether it is perfectly cooked or not. So this is perfectly cooked guys, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this one and put it in the strainer. And here I put it in the strainer, and what I'm going to do, I'm not going to waste this water. I'm going to use this one for something else. And for the sugar syrup, what we have to do, take a same pan, I'm using the same pan, add 2 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water, and when it started boiling, we have to add this watermelon into this. The sugar is fully dissolved in the water, and I'm going to add these the pieces of watermelon into this, and we have to cook until it absorbs all the sugar syrup, or we can wait for one string, then we can switch off the flame. And it's fully cooked, and here I show you one string consistency. See, so this is done and we have to switch off the flame. So I add this watermelon along with the sugar syrup into these 2 bowls, because I'm making only 2 colors. If you want more colors, you can make more guys. So today I'm going to add the orange color and the green color. So into this I'm adding a little bit of orange, and in this I'm adding the green one, and I'm going to mix this together. and I have to use different spoon for this. So I add the color and we have to wait for 5 to 6 hours until it absorbs all the color and the sugar syrup. So my Tutti Frutti or candy will be ready in 5 hours, guys. It will take another 5 hours. So see you soon in 5 hours. Okay guys, after 6 to 7 hours, what I'm going to do, I put this oil absorbent towel paper, and if you don't have this one, you can use the strainer also. So the first thing, I'm going to put this one into this, then I will squeeze out all the sugar syrup. Okay guys, here I am doing this green candy. You can see all the sugar syrup and the color is coming out. You have to squeeze out guys. Okay guys, my candy and Tutti Frutti is ready. So this is how I usually make the Tutti Frutti at my home without gelatin and without any preservative. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make watermelon candy or Tutti Frutti at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. So this is very soft. Yeah. Bye. So instead of watermelon, you can use the papita, the green papita, guys. So today I didn't use the green papita. I used the watermelon skin. So yeah. Bye.